the beautiful, rugged coastline of Oregon. A place where the Pacific Ocean meets charming towns, towering lighthouses, and breathtaking natural beauty. Today we're going to explore 3 of Oregon's hidden gems: Astoria, Tillamook, and Depot Bay. Buckle up, we're in for a coastal adventure.
Our first stop, Astoria. Astoria, Oregon, holds the distinction of being Oregon's oldest city, founded in 1811 as a fur trading post by John Jacob Astor's Pacific Fur Company. The settlement was named after Astor, one of the wealthiest men in America at the time. Located at the mouth of the Columbia River, Astoria played a crucial role in the early exploration and trade of the Pacific Northwest. In the mid-1800s, the city became a vital port, facilitating the transportation of goods to and from the region. As a hub for maritime activity, Astoria grew into an essential center for the fishing and logging industries, contributing to its long-standing reputation as a gateway to the Pacific. As you travel through Astoria, you will ride along the expansive Columbia River, climb majestic mountains, and pass the famous Astoria-Megler Bridge, which connects Oregon to Washington.
10 miles west of Astoria, nestled near Fort Stevens State Park in Hammond, Oregon, is the wreck of the Peter Iredale, one of the most iconic shipwrecks along the Oregon coast. The Peter Iredale ran aground on October 25, 1906, during a storm as it was attempting to navigate the mouth of the Columbia River. Despite the harrowing conditions, all 27 crew members survived, but the ship was irreparably damaged. Over the years, the remains of the Peter Iredale have become a popular tourist attraction, with its rusted skeleton protruding from the sandy beach, creating a hauntingly beautiful sight. The wreck serves as a stark reminder of the dangerous waters of the Columbia River Bar, known as one of the most treacherous maritime areas in the world. Today, visitors to Fort Stevens State Park can walk right up to the wreck and reflect on the history of this once mighty vessel.
As you travel south, you will pass dozens of turnoffs to enjoy the breathtaking view of the coast. 61 miles south of Hammond is Tillamook Creamery, located in Tillamook, Oregon. This is a beloved institution known for its high-quality dairy products, particularly its award-winning cheeses. Founded in 1909 by a group of local dairy farmers, the cooperative, or B Corp, has grown into one of the most recognizable names in the dairy industry. The creamery sources its milk from a network of family-owned farms in the region, known for their sustainable practices and commitment to animal welfare. Visitors to the Tillamook Creamery can take a self-guided tour to learn about the cheese-making process, from milking the cows to crafting the delicious cheeses, and even enjoy a range of dairy-based treats, including ice cream, sandwiches, and milkshakes in their food court. We visited this location on a Sunday, and there were workers still producing cheese. Wow. The creamery's commitment to quality and innovation, along with its welcoming visitor experience, makes it a must-see stop for anyone traveling along the Oregon coast. We recommend grabbing a bag, or 3, of their fresh cheese curds from the on-site shop, as they do not sell these in most stores due to their commitment to freshness.
Continuing the drive another 58 miles south, you will land in Depot Bay, Oregon. This tiny coastal town might be small, but it packs a big punch with its natural beauty and maritime wonders. The bay itself was first discovered by F.W. Vincent and his grandfather as they sailed up the coastline from Newport and observed a break in what looked like a wall of rock and was originally named Wrecker's Cove. In 1894, Charlie Depot of the Joshua tribe was given land in the area. Depot was a leader in his community and was sometimes called Chief. Depot Bay quickly became an important harbor due to its sheltered waters and proximity to rich fishing grounds. In the early 20th century, Depot Bay gained national attention as a prime location for whale watching, thanks to its unique position along the Pacific Ocean's migratory route for gray whales. Because of this, Depot Bay is known as the whale watching capital of the Oregon coast. It's an incredible experience as these majestic creatures pass by on their long journey. Today, the town retains much of its maritime charm, with its famous seawall and harbor still serving as a testament to its long history as a vital coastal community. Don't miss the Depot Bay seawall, where the waves crash against the rocks with so much power that they create dynamic blowholes, sending water spraying high into the air. It's a spectacle you won't forget. If you feel chilled by the wind, you can whale watch from the comfort of the OPRD Whale Watching Center, which is primarily closed January and February. After a day of whale watching or tide pooling, warm up at one of Depot Bay's local cafes, bars, or gift shops. The town may be small, but it has some of the best views and seafood in Oregon.
From Astoria's rich history to Depot Bay's stunning whale watching, these coastal gems offer something for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or someone looking for a peaceful getaway, the Oregon coast has it all. Catch us next time as we finish our coastal road trip to Newport and wrap up our review of just a portion of Oregon at Multnomah Falls.
Until next time,
Happy travels!